how you doing there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and welcome to another lesson. So I'm going to continue this little mini series. We're doing hot licks in the summer. I'm posting one every Friday. This is hot lick number 2. So this one is going to be based out of A minor. And of course it would work in any key, but A minor is kind of a nice key to play it in. And this is one of my favorite things to do on the guitar. You know, it's just these nice double stops that to my ear just sound so cool. And you can hammer on, you can slide in, right? There's different things that you can do to them that's going to make them sound really cool. So I'm going to be showing you one kind of concrete lick, and for my All Access members, you guys are going to get the tab to all the stuff that I played in the intro. So in the intro I played a couple different variations. All of that's going to be tabbed out, and for this lesson I'm just going to do one little thing. And I'm going to encourage you to experiment with improvising and make your own little licks out of kind of the foundation that I'm going to be giving you here, okay? So without further ado, let's get in the close-up and let me show you kind of what's going on. And then you can have fun and play around with it and do your own thing. Again, for my All Access members, I'm going to have multiple, variations tabbed out. So check out the All Access membership if you haven't yet. If you are an All Access member, thank you. I love you. Your support helps me so much. All right, let's get into close-up. Okay, so here we are. You can see my fretboard hopefully very clearly. And again, we're in A minor. So you could think of the first A minor shape is here, right? And the second one is here. And we're combining the first two, right? So I'm starting on the second shape, actually combining the first with the second. Let me not confuse you. They're always connected, right? They're always connected. Anyways, okay, so we're on the 8th fret, 1st and 2nd string. I'm barring down on those 2 strings, right? So what I'm going to do with my ring finger is I'm going to hammer to the 10th fret, 2nd string, right? So, and then I'm going to release it, right? So, and as I hammer, I want to make sure that first string doesn't stop ringing, right? See that? So, right? Then we're going to go to our next position here, and this looks like this. I'm on the 7th fret and 8th fret, 2nd string, 3rd string. And we're going to do the same thing, right? It's just a string set higher up. The same kind of concept of that hammer on. And again, we want that 2nd string to continue to ring. We're only hammering on the 3rd string. So see that? And that's one of my favorite things to do. It's a very typical kind of Jimi Hendrix thing. He would do these kinds of things all the time. Okay, so let's move on. So, and again, this is kind of combining that 1st and the 2nd position, the same as we were doing here. And now what we're going to be doing, okay, so now here we are in the 1st position, and we're going to be holding down the 2nd and 3rd string, 5th fret. And we're going to do that same kind of concept where we only hammer down one of the strings with the ring finger, right? So that's going to be, my ring finger is going to be hammering down the 7th fret, 3rd string. See that? And then I'm going to release. So, right, so then we're going to go up here to the 7th fret, right, so, and then we're going to do that hammer again, and then we're going to end it here. Okay, so, and then the final note is this. Okay, so, see that? One more time real slow. Okay. You're going to have to play around with the timing a little bit there. So, this one's a little bit longer, right? And with some distortion, it sounds wicked. Sorry about that. Okay, and now as I said, there's multiple things that you could do with this. You don't have to play it the exact same way that I just showed you. You could do a little slide in. Instead of doing this hammer on, so let me get back into the close-up. Instead of doing this hammer on, you could slide in from the 8th to 10th fret and slide back. So now we're playing this string, which is the first string that we didn't have before, but that's fine, right? Because it's all in this scale. Right? So we're sliding in from the 8th to the 10th fret and sliding back, right? Then, right, you could do a hammer here, right? Then you could play these two notes if you want. This one's not in the pentatonic, but it would also work. Or you could just go, right? So, now I just kind of walked it up. But anyways, once you know where these notes are, play around with them. Try to improvise. Try to come up with your own ideas. That's one of my favorite things to do. So again, for my All Access members, I'm going to have some extra little tabs in there. But don't worry, if you're not an All Access member and you don't want to become one, still, please try to improvise. I promise you this is going to help you a lot. All right, so I hope that this little hot lick gave you some ideas, some inspiration, something new to add to your lead guitar playing. If you want to go deeper with me, again, make sure to check out the All Access membership. I have an entire solo guitar course in there where I go much deeper into the pentatonic, and there's more licks in there, and there's tabs, and I show you all of the technique like bending and sliding and all that stuff. So if you want to go deeper with me, check that out. There's a free trial. You get the tabs for my lessons that are, on YouTube, and you get all the courses that I've ever created in there as well. All right, my friends, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next Friday with another hot lick. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.